Yeah, welcome back everyone. We are back on the next tutorial, which is how to create Fiverr gig and ranking Fiverr gig. So, well, this one my Gmail account. Not on. Sorry. So, I'll do this later. Yeah. So, I'll be guiding us on how to create our Fiverr gig account. So, once you finish registering your account, the next step is to create your Fiverr account. The last video I made, you can check my how to make money with freelancer. I I guide us on how to create a Fiverr gig image. The gig image is more important just for you to be on. You can't just be going on and using another person gig image. Fiverr with the ranking for that. So if you want to be ranked very well, there are some formats in the ranking in Fiverr account, which is you have to make sure the niche you are offering, there is a keyword. Your title bar consists of the keyword of your niche, the work you are offering on Fiverr. And secondly, the gig image which I created in the last video must be your own gig image and must be eye catching. Like it must be calling people to attention. Once they see your gig, you look at this first one, you see he used a military man and a white man, and if you see there are something like amount of people that amount of money people earn. So those are the things. Look this image also, a white woman, and he talk about what he's doing. So I just the image the video I did, I just go through how to set it up. I will make a video on how to use Canva later on. I'll make a video on how to do that. So but presently what we need right now is how to create a gig for a Fiverr account. Just go to Fiverr option, search for your gig title, and you are copying first four people on your work on your niche. First four people, those are the people we are copying. This method, I've tried this method a lot of time and it has worked for me. We are copying that tag and title. So just check it. I will do ROI Shopify marketing store e-commerce promotion every ad. Just copy some, because firstly your what we want to do presently is that your gig, this is how to rank. Just copy your this thing, the title as in the keyword, input the keyword and publish like that. Once you input all the keyword, you said we know that your gig title doesn't make sense. So look at this. I do an e-commerce store, provide promotion store, Clavio marketing sales. You could see that it's well written. You can read it and understand. It said I do an e-commerce marketing and promotion for Shopify store dropping store marketing. You could see that it makes sense also. So the next one also it makes sense, but your own, you are trying to build your account and make it rank. The only thing Fiverr always target is the time you are creating your account. The first that you are doing now, that's what Fiverr used to rank. That's what Fiverr marketing traffic. That's what Fiverr used to rank. Once you set up your gig from start very well, if you edit it later on, it will still be working on based on the how you created it at first. That's what we'll be serving as the ranking method. So e-commerce promotion, just pick your um e-commerce promotion. Okay, just pick your keyword, your niche keyword. Then so category and subtitle will be digital marketing. If you are into logo design, you know what to take, you know what to pick it to suggest it. Just pick on something that related to what you are doing. My own is website promotion. After that, I click on the platform, choose the primary platform that you can help buyer with. I can help promote the Amazon, ETX, or Kindle. I can help them promote that. Even Shopify. Let me go to the website ETX, Shopify store. I can do that. So next thing is just industry. Which of the industry do you think you can work on? Beauty, animal, art, construction, all these things I can do it. I can work with them. Media, marketing. So you just have to choose. You choose, please. So based on your niche, it will show you where to work on your niche also. Just pick them, select the promotion method. Which type of promotion are you doing? I'm using paid. If you can pay, I'm doing paid advert, Facebook page advert, and I'm using email promotion. depending on the budget of my buyers. So the next thing is to copy their tag. This tag is very important. This tag is more than important. It's more than important. I always take my time to create my account. The tag is one of the most important things I used to run. This gig, once published, I'm 100% sure after 3 to 4 days it will be ranked. I'm sure about that. If you can follow this method, also follow this method. So once once your gig has successfully been okay, don't worry, I will come to that. What I want to say is that once your gig is successfully been published and approved, then you have to go back and change your title again. Then you can name it how to you understand what I'm trying to say. Then you can name it how to do anything you want to name it. But firstly, just pick your keyword, the keyword of your gig, pick the keyword and input the keyword there first. Then your gig won't make sense, but it will make your gig to rank well. So we are just planning to rank our gig. That's what we are doing presently. So once you put the tag, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, the next stage, this video, I don't want this video to be long. So let me check on one of my accounts that I've used in the past. Promoter. Let me just use Apochele, please. Apochele. I don't want this video to be long, just for people to enjoy it. Just short. Okay. Apochele. So let me just copy one of my former accounts. Let me just copy the information and then put it there. So gold, silver, diamond. Just leave gold, diamond. That just means you can shoot it as basic, standard, or premium. Just silver, yeah, gold, diamond. Just the normal stuff. Then here, describe the details about your gig. Just tell them, okay, this is total amount of money I will be. This just tell them about what you are doing, your logo design. Okay, I will give you 3 to 4 logo per website for $5, for $20. Okay, I will give you 10 logo design depending on your own convenience. This place I say I promote all ADS URL for 24 hours, 3 times in a day, non-stop, with a guarantee of 600 to 3,000 visitors. $5. I know I can do it. My standard is promote all ADS URL for 4 days. So I just tell them, if you are with logo design, tell them, okay, I'm going to give you 2 logo, and this 2 logo, it will be all this. I will give you the software I used to do it. I will leave it for you, or I won't. Just explain to them once they read about it. If you don't know about what to write, you can go on and search for your data and copy someone. Just try to edit everything. Just don't copy word to word. You put it what you know you will do, and the day you know you are going to do it. Next thing is the day. This promotion I'm talking about, that will take me 2 days or to achieve this 600 to 3,000 subscribers. Why this one will take me like 3 days also. Why this one will take me like 5 to 6 days. So online store promotion, if I want to put online store promotion, I will tell them, but then I will leave it. Audience, if I want to tell them the total amount of audience, I already name it on my description. I don't need that. Then I put the price. Okay, I want to charge 3 logo. I want to charge $20. 5 logo, I want to be charged $30. You have to decide on the amount you want to be charged per logo you done. You can say, okay, I want to be giving you 2 logo for $5, 2 logo for $3, 2 logo for $10. So that's how it works. So the next thing is to click on save and continue. This video must not be more than 15 minutes, please. I don't want to. So I don't want to take much of our time. So let me go to the Apochele. Just write about your gig. If you want to copy someone, and you want to really copy someone, once you copy the gig description, it's normal. Some people can't think. Nigeria, we are lazy. You can't think about something from upward. Okay, let me talk about the service I'm offering. Like you are doing logo design. Okay, welcome to my service. Welcome to my gig. On my gig, like I offer logo design for your business, for your e-commerce, for your company. You understand? So these are the things to expect for my gig. These are the things to expect for my gig. You can't do that. Next thing is to copy someone. Once you copy the person, go to your what is it called? Sorry, I want to talk about this. So go to it. Microsoft Word. Paste the person you copy, paste it on your Google, because Fiverr now are detecting copyright. Paste it there. Once you paste it there, finish. Copy it, then come here, click Control plus Shift, then click on paste on your gig description. What did I call it again? Control plus Shift plus paste. So just for her not to discover that you copy someone wants to work. Once they find out that you copy someone wants to work, that means your gig will not be ranked. After that, the next thing is to just click on continue. Click on continue. Then you have to add. Next thing is to add the question. Once someone wants to place another, once the user place another, what do you want to ask them? Okay, if you are logo design, hi, welcome to my. Thank you for placing an order. Please provide me a business name, your soft copy, your business brand name, business logo, business slogan. So as my own e-commerce, what I mean is that kindly, this is my own niche. Can provide me with your website 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 URL slash link. So promotional message option. So those are the things I'm using for my own gig. The one you can decide on, okay, what do I want to have them as a YouTube app development, or either logo design. Provide your source copy of your name, your previous work. So that's it. Click on continue. Next thing is to just upload the, okay. Next thing, then you blah 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 blah. Just show it. You don't need any of this. Just come on, just exit it. You don't need it. So the next thing is to just input your the video I made the last time, gig image. Come here. Where do we keep it? I think it's on download. Yeah, click on download. That's it. Select it. The nearest will be 712.430. Wow! Look at the mistake I made. So current Fiverr logo, business logo is 712.520. That means I'm going to make a new video. When you are making your own video, please make sure you use 510, 520 so that you won't make a mistake like mine. I don't know they have changed it. So let me just let me just copy it and just copy it. Okay, let me just select from my previous gig image I have on my account before, so that I won't delay us with this tutorial. So you have already seen on how I create my gig theme, this gig image. So select this. So even I have issue with this one also. So I have to edit. That means they change their they have changed their this thing. They have changed their dimension. Yeah. Okay, let me just say. I think I should be able to see one that will work here. I should be able. Okay. Okay. Let me use this. Okay, it accepts this. Then you click on save and continue. Click on save and continue. The next thing is squeeze. You can see the next thing is squeeze. Take the test. Just click on take the test. I will take the test also. Take the test. Once you click, please. If you ask if you are from US or not, just click on no. You are not from US and click on save. The next thing is text. Close. The next thing is text. Once you click on this text, make sure you didn't close the tab till you finish the text. Once you click on, you mistakenly off the tag. That means you have to come after. It's not 90 days before you can try it again. So please, I think that was all for this tutorial. The next tutorial will be, what is the next tutorial? I will check on the next tutorial. I don't even know what to go in the next tutorial again. I will check on the next tutorial and I made the next tutorial also. Once you finish the test, complete your gig, wait for 24 hours, search for your keyword, check for new seller, then you see your gig. Next thing is to buy a review, or if you can wait, but mostly you have to get a review before you can rank, because you have to. The more if you didn't see order, you won't be ranked. And also I will tell us on how to open a foreign account here in Nigeria and manage it on your account, so it can be an alternative. You have one account is not advisable, have 2 to 3 accounts, but how to manage it. I will tell you software to use on your phone to manage your account, and how to manage it on your laptop also. So if you like my video, subscribe, like, share, please. Have a nice day. Thank you, guys.